Hey, how you doing? I'm Lynn, and today I'm going to be showing you how I burn some extra tummy fat. Now, this is going to be for water weight, of course. So if you really want to focus on sweating in the stomach area, I got you. Now, if this is your first time ever watching one of my YouTube videos, then girlfriend, boyfriend, feel free to subscribe because it's free 99 and I do drop quality videos with quality content. So without any further ado, let me show you this very cheap product that you probably have sitting somewhere around your house right now that you can use to sweat a little bit more in that stomach area. Let's get it. Alright, so here is my stomach, and let me tell you, I am trying to, get her a little slim, of course. So here's my stomach, and what we are going to be using is petroleum jelly, and you can even say Vaseline. We're going to be using this product today to slather on our stomachs, and we're going to be using a plastic bag to cover our bellies with a pair of scissors to cut out the bottom, as well as your sweatband. And this is an old one. I've been having this one for at least 5 years now, and it still works really good. So you want a sauna band like such. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my petroleum jelly. This is the Walmart brand, if anybody was wondering. Of course, Equate, and it's paraben free and phthalate free. Just for the front, another quarter size amount for the back and the sides. All underneath the belly. Next, you're just going to smooth your bag on your stomach. Take your sweatband. Alright, so here's my iPhone. I'm going to be going to do the 7-minute women. Okay, I'm going to do HIIT 10. This is an 11-minute workout, and it is very intense. It doesn't really require you getting on the floor until the end, and I'm probably going to end up doing this for twice, so it'll be like a 22-minute workout. So I'm really trying to target a 20-minute workout using this app. Okay, first workout is complete. Y'all, I am so tired. Let me drink some of this water. Drink some water.
Begin. Speed run in place.
So according to the Fitbit app, I have burned 173 calories at 22 minutes, 21 minutes of cardio, 2% fat burn, 2 minutes of fat burn, and a heart rate of 145. Whoa. Whoa. Y'all. The question is, Linda, what do you think about just using good old petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline for some folks? I think that this works just as well as Albolene. I never used sweet sweat before, so I can't vouch for it, but this alone, incredible. What for me. And y'all, I am blown away. I'm definitely going to be using this throughout the week to finish off my workout, and well, to finish off the rest of my workouts for the week. And I will keep y'all updated, so follow me on social media, Instagram, and I will be doing it on my Snapchat. So I'm just letting y'all know, this is the affordable truth, okay? The affordable truth. If you want me to do a challenge for 1 week straight, let me know, because I think a lot of y'all would enjoy that video. And on the same note, I will be using the Vaseline, the petroleum jelly. Well, let me say the petroleum jelly on my belly and probably on my thighs if y'all want me to show other areas. But yeah, I got y'all, and I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm signing on out of this piece now. Have a blessed one. Let me go take a shower, honey, because I am dripping literally. Y'all saw it. I'm up out of this piece now. Bye. Happy weight loss goaling. If you use this technique, tell me, tag me on social media, and also hit me up on the Fitbit app. My email will be in the description box below. It will be action packed, okay? I'm up out of this piece now. Bye.